Guys, it's finally happened. Elon Musk has done it again, but this time, it's not rockets, not electric cars, it's a $100 smartphone. Yes, you heard that right, Elon's revolutionizing the smartphone world with a game-changing device that's officially on the market for just $100. And trust me, this is not just any budget phone, it's a statement that quality doesn't have to come with a massive price tag. So, what makes Elon's $100 phone so special? How is it different from the rest? And how could it disrupt the entire smartphone industry? Stay tuned because we're breaking it all down today. You know the saying, when Elon speaks, people listen? Well, when he hinted at launching a $100 smartphone, the internet went crazy. People could not stop speculating. Was it going to be some super basic phone with bare minimum functions? Maybe a Tesla phone with a solar panel on the back so you never need to charge it again? Who knew? And while the rumors grew, Elon sat back and let the anticipation build. Every tweet, every cryptic hint. It was like pouring gasoline on a fire. And here's the kicker, he managed to keep most of the details a secret until the big reveal. That's impressive in today's leak-heavy world. When the phone was finally unveiled, everyone wanted to know, could Musk really deliver a phone that costs $100 but doesn't feel like a budget phone? Spoiler alert, he can. And he did. So why did Musk, the guy who could have easily gone high-end and made a premium luxury phone, decide to launch a $100 smartphone? Well, it's simple. He's always been about accessibility. Just like with Tesla, where he started with high-end models but quickly moved to more affordable options, he's doing the same with phones. Musk knows that smartphones are a necessity now, they're how we connect, work, and entertain ourselves. But not everyone can afford to drop $1,000 on the latest model. So he's stepping in, offering a solution that doesn't force people to choose between quality and affordability. This phone is designed to bring the essential features people need, without all the unnecessary fluff that drives up the price. And the fact that he's doing it at this price point? It's game-changing. Alright, so what does Musk's $100 phone actually offer? Is it just a basic device, or did Elon surprise us with something more? Well, first off, it covers all the essentials, a solid display, a decent camera, good battery life, but here's where it gets interesting. Musk didn't just stop at the basics. He made sure this phone packs a punch at its price point. Take the battery, for instance. Musk knew people wanted a phone that lasts all day without needing to be glued to a charger. So, he focused on battery efficiency, giving you a full day of usage on a single charge. And let's not forget the operating system. It's lightweight and smooth, with none of the usual bloatware that drags down performance on most budget phones. It's like Musk stripped away everything unnecessary and kept the essentials. Now, let's talk about the camera. In a world where smartphone companies are racing to slap 100-megapixel cameras on their phones, Musk took a different route. Instead of overloading the phone with unnecessary megapixels, he focused on practicality. The camera is reliable and works well for everyday use, no gimmicks, just solid performance. And if you're a Tesla owner, you're in for a treat. The phone seamlessly integrates with Tesla's software, letting you control your car directly from your phone. It's like a mini Tesla event in your pocket. Even if you're not a Tesla owner, this phone still delivers where it counts. It's functional, user-friendly, and doesn't complicate your life with features you don't need. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Does it have all the fancy features of a high-end phone? Face recognition, wireless charging, super fast processors? Well, no. But here's the thing, Musk didn't try to compete with the flagships. He's not here to win a spec war. Instead, he focused on what really matters, a phone that works, and works well. No wireless charging, no unnecessary facial recognition, just a phone that gets the job done. It's refreshing in a world of overcomplicated smartphones, and honestly, that's why people are loving it. One thing Musk didn't compromise on is build quality. Despite its budget-friendly price, this phone feels sturdy. It's got a durable frame, a decent screen, and buttons that don't feel like they'll fall off after a month. Musk's attention to quality is clear, even with a $100 device. And what's the response? People are loving it. Fans are praising Musk for striking the perfect balance between affordability and functionality. In a world of overcomplicated, overpriced smartphones, this phone feels like a breath of fresh air. But here's the big question, what does Musk's $100 phone mean for the smartphone industry? Well, it's clear that he's shaking things up. By offering a phone at this price that still delivers, he's putting pressure on the big players to rethink their strategies. If Elon can pull off this kind of quality for $100, what does that say about the rest of the market? Musk is showing that innovation doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag, and that's bound to disrupt the status quo. So there you have it, Elon Musk's $100 smartphone is here, and it's already changing the game. It's affordable, functional, and proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a great device. As people start to get their hands on this phone, the excitement is only going to grow. So, what do you think? Is this phone a game changer? Will it push the smartphone giants to lower their prices? Let me know in the comments. And if you're as excited about this as I am, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.